I wanted to reach net zero targets. I wanted to reduce our timeline, and I wanted to have a very robust system that I believe is going to perform for the longevity of this home. My name is Josh Friesen. I'm the owner and founder of Virtues of Construction. I'm standing here in front of my net zero build where I've used ZS2 Technology's TechPanel. Let's go have a look. A net zero home is a home that produces as much energy as it consumes over the course of a full calendar year. For this particular build, we took a number of different steps to reach our net zero energy targets. One of them is insulation values, and because we use ZS2 TechPanels, we get that R value in a smaller space. We're not having to do outboard insulation, double walls, spray foam insulation, dense pack. We have within the TechPanels itself an EPS foam, which gets us a higher R value, which of course is a very, very significant part of reaching these energy targets that we're going for. These panels, they go together very, very quickly. We put down a bottom plate and right away we can start installing all the way around. They intersect onto a spline, creating all of those very, very airtight details, and then quickly move to our main floor walls. And so we were able to get up to our lockup stage much, much quicker to the finishing stage, which really helped us in our timeline. We had a very small crew, 4 guys, 1 Zoom boom. I originally forecasted 12 months for this build. We're going to be at around 10 months for it, and ZS2 TechPanels played a significant part in reducing our timelines. As a builder, it's very important to me that I use products that I can trust and stand behind. And ZS2 TechPanels fit the bill on every level of that. I can trust the durability of the panel itself, the insulation values that it provides, and showing my customer that this is something that's going to stand the test of time and be that robust product that we can trust.